How to use Suno AI to make music. Now, what if you could create a complete song with vocals, lyrics, instruments, mixing, and mastering? And you can do all of that without touching a piano, guitar, or music production software. Now, that is exactly why millions of people are using this software called Suno AI. Now, in just a few minutes, you can basically generate full songs, instrumentals, rap tracks, pop music, cinematic soundtracks, podcast intros, YouTube background music, and even commercial jingles. And you can do all of that using nothing but text prompts. Now, whether you are a complete beginner, a content creator, a musician looking for inspiration, or someone who simply wants to make music for fun, Suno has become one of the easiest AI music creation platforms available today. Suno allows users to generate complete tracks from simple prompts, including vocals, lyrics, and instrumentation. Now, in this complete 2026 guide, I will show you exactly how to use Suno step by step, how to write better prompts, how to create higher quality songs, and some mistakes that beginners make that ruin their results. So let's get started. Before we jump into the tutorial, let us actually understand what Suno actually does. Now, Suno is an AI music generator that can create complete songs from text descriptions. Now, unlike traditional music softwares where you need to record instruments, write melodies, arrange tracks, even mix audio, Suno does most of the heavy lifting for you. You simply describe what you want, and a short time later, Suno generates a complete song. So that is why Suno has become incredibly popular among creators who have ideas but don't necessarily have a traditional music production experience. So to get started, you're going to head over to Suno AI, and here you're going to create a free account for yourself. So we're going to hit sign up. Now, you can typically sign up using Google, Discord, or your email login. Okay. And once you're signing up, obviously make sure to use the correct account belongings for yourself. And once you're inside, you will arrive at the dashboard where you're going to find the create section. And that is going to be this section right here. Now, this is where all of the magic typically happens. Suno's workflow is intentionally simple because it is designed for both beginners and experienced creators. So let's create our very first song. Inside this area, this is where you will tell the AI what kind of music you actually want. Now, most beginners are going to type something like pop song. Technically, it works, but the results are usually average. So instead, you're going to try something more detailed. So you're going to write upbeat summer house song. Okay, and we can go ahead with about, let's go with road trips with friends. And let's say I'm going to go with female vocals. Let's go with catchy melody, and let's go with radio ready production. So this is how you do prompt engineering on your Suno AI. So once that is done, you're going to click on create. Now, once you click on create, AI will begin generating your music. Now, after processing, you will typically receive multiple versions, okay? Because right now, as you can see, it is processing for you. You're simply going to wait for things to load up. Now, as you can see, I have been using Suno for quite some time, and I have generated over, I'd say, well around 50 songs on this. Now, over here, as you can see, Suno has created 4 versions of our song. Okay. So one is on their version 4.5, which is technically the free version, and 2 of them are on version 5.5, which is their more, upscaled version, the upgraded plans and everything. So you can go ahead and listen to the ones that are fully generated. Now, currently, it's working on these. You can also see the description. So, summer house, upbeat, 124 BPM, 4 on the floor with swung claps, bouncing sub bass, glossy piano stabs. So, even from the description, you can get an idea of what you're about to listen. Always make sure to listen to all versions carefully. Sometimes one will have stronger vocals, sometimes one will have a better instrumental. Always compare them before moving forward. So, as you can see, we have this created. Let's go ahead and hear it out. So, as you can see, that is pretty incredible. A proper house song with the proper vibe we needed, the proper summer vibe. Now, here's where most people dramatically improve their results. The quality of your songs depend heavily on your prompt. Think of it like a music producer. So instead of writing a rap song, add in the most prompt engineering that you can add. Now, let me also save you from frustrations. Do not use any prompts that are too short. Do not ignore genre descriptions. Also don't go ahead and not specify instruments. Generating one version and stopping on that is also pretty bad. The more you have consistency, the better your generation will be. So that is how to use Suno AI to make music in 2026. The biggest takeaway is quite simple out of all of this. The quality of your output depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. The more specific your instructions, the better your songs will sound. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tutorials, music creation guides, and content creation tools. And let me know in the comments, what's the first song that you're going to create with Suno AI? Thank you for watching, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next one. Have a great day. Goodbye.